Hey friends, if airplane mode is grayed out on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to start the radio management service. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open the services menu. Scroll down to the radio management service. Okay, right click on it and then select restart. But this will flicker your internet for a while. The next solution is to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is to run the network troubleshooter. So how would you run the network troubleshooter? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, click on run corresponding to the network and internet troubleshooter. And the last solution will obviously be to update the network drivers. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager and expand the list for network drivers. Scroll down, expand the list for network drivers. Right click on the MediaTek network driver, update driver and search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.